Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and launcher support. This matters because some custom launchers change widget access. Unlock your phone and stand on the home screen where you want the Google search. Once there, long press an empty area to open the menu that shows widgets, wallpapers, and home settings. Make sure to allow widget placement by checking there is space. Without space, the widget will not drop in. This gets you immediately into the first actionable area for adding the search. Now tap widgets and scroll until you find Google or a search entry. This is where the official search bar lives. Tap and hold the specific widget variant you prefer, compact or full width, because size affects the layout and one might fit better than another. Drag the chosen widget onto the home screen and release. The launcher will snap it into grid slots. Once placed, you can adjust by long pressing and moving, so make sure it aligns with other icons and doesn't overlap essential shortcuts. To finish, long press the placed widget to resize or reposition so it looks tidy. Resizing helps when it covers icons. If the Google widget isn't available, update the Google app via the Play Store or reinstall it, then reboot the device. This often restores missing widgets. If a custom launcher blocks widgets, open launcher settings and enable widgets or switch to a compatible launcher. If nothing works, clear the Google App Cache and try again. This resolves most placement failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.